Hey there, I'm James, the sole creator behind the exciting world of Mighty Marbles. Picture this, a physics-based universe where you will control over intricate contraptions, all in the pursuit of guiding a marble to its triumphant goal. It's not just a game, it's a dynamic, immersive experience waiting for you to explore its challenges and possibilities. Let's rewind to the beginning to uncover why I embarked on this journey. My fascination with real-life physics toys, such as Screwball, Scramble and Mousetrap, ignited a spark within me. Curious if there were video games that captured the same essence, I scoured the landscape, but few that truly resonated with what I envisioned. That's when it hit me. I should create the game I yearned to play, a game where the thrill of manipulating physics meets the joy of intricate challenges, and that's how Mighty Marbles came to life. My journey began with a humble prototype of the flipping bridge, where, truth be told, I struggled to contain the physics. Initially the ball had a habit of slipping through the ground. But from those early stumbling blocks, I pushed forward, I crafted a prototype, shared it with Reddit, and eagerly awaited the feedback. Despite the marble's uncanny resemblance to an astronaut in zero gravity, the response was overwhelmingly positive. The encouragement served as fuel that ignited my determination to turn this vision into a tangible reality. Remarkably, within a mere few days, I cracked the code on the physics, sculpted the inaugural level, and even set up the Steam page. The pace was exhilarating as the game swiftly took shape, transforming from an idea into a tangible entity ready to be explored and experienced. Here's how you dive into the action. At any moment during the gameplay, simply hit the tab key to access a quick guide on controlling each contraption. While I'm demonstrating the keyboard setup, rest assured Mighty Marbles also seamlessly integrates with controllers. Switching between the controls allows you to harness the complete mastery over contraptions sharing the same colour, empowering you to navigate the challenges with finesse and precision. Additionally, experience total freedom over your perspective. Just a single key press enables you to seamlessly switch the camera angle at any moment. This feature ensures you have the best possible view to tackle each challenge head-on, offering a dynamic and immersive gameplay experience. The game unfolds across various courses, each housing 9 levels meticulously crafted to match a distinct theme, brimming with unique contraptions that promise to keep you engaged and surprised at every turn. Up until now, all the showcase footage has been from the vibrant and dynamic toy box set of levels. I'm eagerly looking forward to your thoughts and feedbacks on your favourite contraptions. Please feel free to share your experiences and insights in the comment section. Your input helps shape the game and ensures your favourite elements get the attention they deserve. I was thrilled with how the toy box concept aligned with my vision, but the clamour for more prompted me to delve into creating the Marble Machine series. My process typically kicks off with a simple sketch, nothing overly remarkable. Then comes the white boxing phase, where I lay down placeholders for each contraption, gradually refining and replacing them. These snapshots capture moments from my Discord where I regularly share the progress. Join me there for an in-depth look, or if you just want to come and say hello and talk to me. I envisioned the Marble Machine series to stand out with an abundance of moving parts, a stark contrast to the Toy Box series. This emphasis aimed to offer a distinct gameplay experience. Additionally, I dedicated myself to crafting a unique visual identity for each series. For the Marble Machines, I honed in on a clean, sophisticated blend of wood and metal elements, striving to create a sleek and distinctive aesthetic that sets it apart. I'm genuinely eager to hear your thoughts. Feel free to drop your feedback in the comments below. Did I manage to achieve the distinct vibe I aimed for with the Marble Machine series? I'm absolutely thrilled about the potential within this series. Every level is meticulously planned to offer unique challenges and experiences. Take for instance the Twisted Bridge section in the second level, a true test of skill requiring precise rotation to guide the marble across without mishap. Personally, it stands as one of my favourite contraptions I've crafted so far. In the third course of levels, themed around mini-golf for the early access version, I've embraced the chance to infuse a playful spirit throughout. Imagine this, the marble transformed into a golf ball, perfectly complementing the theme. But fear not, if that's not your cup of tea, there's a diverse array of marbles waiting to be unlocked, giving you the freedom to choose your favourite. To encapsulate the essence of mini-golf, I fashioned a vibrant look rich with synthetic grass. This creative direction challenged me to explore various methods of colouring the contraptions, ensuring each element resonates with the lively thematic vibe. As early access draws near, I'm bubbling with anticipation for players to dive into the full array of experiences and actively participate in selecting themes for upcoming courses. Throughout early access, we'll continually introduce new courses, each packing 9 fresh levels for your enjoyment. If this game resonates with you and promises an enjoyable experience, I'd be honoured if you added it to your wishlist. By doing so, you'll receive notifications about launch discounts, ensuring you don't miss out on the excitement when the game officially debuts.